Right, my name's Chris from Southwold Ferrers, Essex. The property maintenance course at the minute. I've been here many times in the past over the years. About 15 years ago I done a level 1 carpentry and joinery course about equal skills. Then about a year later I come back and I've done kitchen fitting with Mark, and that was good. He was my carpentry instructor as well. Then after that, about 3 years after that, I then come back to Able Skills to do a multi-skilled diploma in various subjects so I could maintain our property, our building property, our company business. Then since then I've gained those qualifications, and now I've decided to come back and go off on my own. And I've come back to do the property maintenance course now, so I can regain the basic skill knowledge to bring my skill set back up to scratch. After this course I want to start my own business in property maintenance. With all the knowledge that I've learned here from the pros and from you guys, I feel really confident to go out there and offer my customers a good quality finish. It's so good, everyone's really friendly. I like the way it's all set out, it's like real life bays, etc. I just keep returning. All the instructors are really friendly, really knowledgeable what they do. They're all masters at their trades, so I'm learning first hand from them if I've got any advice and questions, which is really great to go to. The training centre is phenomenal. Like I was saying a minute ago, you've got the bays, they're like real life. It's just like a kitchen. Even the plumbing, trying to do installing a bathroom, radiators, plastering, you're re-skimming walls, you're re-skimming ceilings, you're rendering, then you're re-skimming multi-finish over the render. It's all so real life, and I just love it here.